Solve the equation 2 cos squared x plus 4 sine squared x is equal to 3 for all values of x from 0 to 2 pi. Now, this can be done completely without a calculator. So let's write down our equation, which is 2 cos squared x plus 4 sine squared x is equal to 3. Now, the problem is we've got two variables. One is cos x and one is sine x. Now, there's an identity that connects cos squared and sine squared together, which is sine squared plus cos squared x is equal to 1. Now, the idea of using this is to try and make the variables the same. So I could either change that one or this one, but I'm going to use cos squared x is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. So instead of cos squared x, I'm now going to replace it with 1 minus sine squared x. So I've got two brackets. Now replacing this bit here, 1 minus sine squared x plus 4 sine squared x is equal to 3. Now, algebraically, the next thing to do would be to expand that bracket. So it's 2 minus 2 sine squared x plus 4 sine squared x is equal to 3. Collect these two terms together to get 2 sine squared x. This 3, if we take, this 2, if we take 2 from both sides, we're going to get 3 take away 2, which is 1. Then divide by 2, we're going to get sine squared x is equal to 1/2. Okay, and then if we take the square root of both sides, we're going to get sine squared, and don't forget we have to take plus or minus 1 over root 2. Now the next step will be to sine to the minus 1 and 1 over root 2. Now if you know your particular angles, you'll know that's 45. But in radians, 45 is pi over 4. And you have to give your answers in radians if it's written like this. Now, I like to use this South Asian tennis club idea, or the unit circle. Because it's plus or minus, I need to consider all 4 quadrants. So, I draw my angles with the x-axis. This one's pi over 4. This one is pi over 4. This is pi over 4. And this is pi over 4. Always making the angle with the x-axis. Now you start here and work your way around the circle. So this is pi over 4. So first answer would be pi over 4. The next answer would be pi, which is 180, minus pi over 4. The next one would be pi plus pi over 4. And the final one would be all the way around the circle. So it's 2 pi minus pi by 4. So working those out, we get pi over 4, pi minus pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 4, pi plus pi over 4. So it's like adding fractions together. So it's 1 plus 1/4, which is 5 pi over 4. And this is like doing 2 minus 1/4, which is going to be 7 pi by 4. So the whole thing could be done in your head. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a trigonometric equation using an identity and giving your answer in radians. I hope you understand, and I thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you can subscribe to my channel.